Just select. Ooh, this is an easy one.
Yeah, that's an easy one. Let's see if we have a
Someone we
name
know.
that I know. Okay.
Casual.
I guess we're all on Ruta here. No, that was a joke.
Mhm.
Good joke. I think this
Um,
is a good card, right?
yeah, this is.
It's not the
Yeah,
best dragon, but it's like a minus or something. It is. It is not far off Ruta when it comes to power level, I would say.
yeah, both do need others to be better, but on itself, Quandrix is pretty good.
Yes, that is correct. Yes, Ruta needs a bit more help than
Yeah.
Tenaris.
Other choice would be Mortality Spear, maybe, but it's also like.
Yeah, but we're. I think that's pick 3, right? But we're not picking it over Ruta and Tenazir.
Nah.
I'm back to.
Hey, Paul, are you on Quandrix Dragon here? We already discussed that it's close with Ruta, but we think Quandrix is
Yeah.
just better on its own.
I think so too. Okay, Jordan said, oh, we had 6 and in plate was our 7, so if we draw an 8 land next turn, it would be worlds in which we want to activate Spectre, Defense, and Caster Study. Yeah, that's a good one. I didn't think about that.
Okay, so here I think Closing Statement is the best card together with Heated Debate.
Yeah, Heated Debate. It's a bit on the same level. I would pick Heated Debate because it's just one color.
Yeah, and also because it goes better in our teamer pile.
Generally, I don't look at my previous picks during the first 6 picks. Yeah.
I think I like Closing Statement a bit better than Heated Debate.
I like Closing Statement too.
I think the power level is the same, so I would take the one that's more open, the Heated Debate, but 2 Closing Statements.
I think Closing Statement is on the same power level with Heated Debate. I think Closing Statement is a bit better.
Yeah, but slightly. I like Charles' argument about Heated Debate being.
And Heated Debate
true.
is really good against all the dwarf creatures. Another Closing Statement.
How do you guys like double Closing Statement? This is a sick pack though. There's a Field Trip, Expand Anatomy, there's a Curve, there's a Defiant Strike, Academic Dispute. Wow. Native Outburst. I think we're on Closing Statement here because we already have one, but this is a sick pack.
Yeah, thanks.
Can also go like
Anatomy is more open.
Anatomy is open, but we're giving a Silver Quill signal then. I
think Closing Statement.
I don't want to give this signal to my neighbors, let's say.
Well, good drafters would not go for that in pick 4.
That is correct, but still.
But yeah,
so I think Closing Statement is the best, and we already have one. So.
But you didn't see any good black or white.
Also, I'm kinda like I've drafted Silver Quill a few times now. I'm kinda biased towards Silver Quill. I don't know if that's correct, but
yeah, Silver Quill is more open. Often.
I like the Fnatic.
Yeah, so this pack, quite a bummer. I think best card is Test of Talents. Second best card is Abstraction for me.
Maybe Biomathematician too, if you go on Quandrix, but
I'm not high on this card.
I'd take a 2-drop then.
Glory Seeker. Hey Setrox.
Glory
welcome.
Seeker.
Yeah, what's this Glory Seeker you're telling us about here? Go Fnatic and see. Okay, how hard do we want to force it? Because then we're probably picking first year. But oh, to lifelinker, yes. But
maybe pick Rip Apart.
Summoning is obviously the best card here, I think.
I think Summoning is the best. Yeah, Rip Apart is also pretty good, but it's again 2 colors. It's still pick 5, so I would pick the best card.
I think picking the summoning here is Rip Apart, then we're moving towards a Mardu pile or something. Eager First Year is a C+ level card.
I would still stay open here and pick 5. Rip Apart or Elemental Summoning for me, but you go you.
Summoning it is. Summoning it is. Get a Reflective Golem, which is very good with Closing Statement. Oh no, it isn't.
No, it is. But
well,
we do see a lot of black cards here.
Yes, this is good. This line of cards here is good. Summoning is still in the pack. What do we like better in Silver Quill? Golem or Spirit Summoning?
Silver Quill, when you have pump spells, go.
Golem, right?
Yeah, I like Golem too.
Yeah, it was Story Seeker. Glory Seeker, I think, is the... reminds me of an Amonkhet card, Jordan.
Glory Seeker's the 4/4 Dragon Haste with
That's Glory Bringer, right?
a Glory Bringer, yeah. The Glory Seeker is... What's Glory Seeker?
That's a good.
Yeah, Story Seeker
card.
did found glory, that's true. Especially on Twitter, Story Seeker found a lot of glory.
Science it's pretty good.
I think I'm on Environmental Sciences.
Yeah.
Glory Seeker, Human Soldier 2.
Yeah, it's not.
Doesn't tell us a lot. What set is it?
Coach.
I'm not big on Coach. I might actually pick the Campus over it.
Yeah,
in case we want to splash a Mardu spell.
Yeah, I think Campus here is better.
Yeah, I agree.
Guys on Poet with me?
Yep, Poets.
Yeah, 2-drop.
Nice 2-drop. Our colors are not open, guys. Doesn't look like it.
Well, this pack already did have... wait a second.
Good pick, Campus guy. I really like that card.
Yeah, it's not bad. I agree. I also
really
don't
like
mind Study.
I really like Study, but...
Yeah, we can also pick Study. Maybe.
Yeah, it's good in our Mardu pile.
Campus guy, I can see like a 4-color pile with Campus guy.
Yeah, there's nothing here we want. Just hate pick the Outburst, right?
No, you want to have to draft on your left, right?
So you want to pick the Ageless Guardian?
So?
I think I would pick Creative Outburst. Maybe their Prismar is really open. That's,
yeah, sure.
Right, if we end...
Traction, look, there's... Yeah.
We end up in a Teamer pile anyhow.
Vortex.
Yeah, now I'm...
First day of class I also like.
Oh, first.
For me it's Star Pupil or First Day of Class. I think I like First Day of Class here.
What did we... Yeah, this draft is...
Yeah, ooh, Spectrum Mage this late?
Prismari is way out. Okay, that's easy.
Crackle with power.
Are we crackling or are we professor?
Crackle is just so obnoxiously good.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah. Sometimes you just win the game on the spot. So
it's a 5 mana 5 damage or 8 mana 10 damage. Yeah. If you're going Prismari.
But it
like
is
worst case it's a 5 mana removal spell, and then later in the game you can also just win the game with it. Like Crackle in hand, that's just wait until opponent.
Okay, and we even can play it in our Mardu pile, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think... Ooh.
Okay, wow.
You were going to say something about Prismari being open, and then we got past the Marvinda, right?
Well,
I think it's still really open, but this deck also has no Prismari cards in it.
That's true. There is a Rise of Access here, an Apprentice. We might get something on the back.
Just go Boros.
Wow.
Oh.
We have an Environmental Sciences already.
The Sciences, we could pick up Fumes. There's
I
also...
would pick the, yeah, that card is like really insane.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, Mardu pile, here we come.
Another Study.
There's another Study. Cha is happy with that.
Yeah, Study likes that.
Yeah, it's a nice way to get damage through, and it's kind of a removal spell because...
Okay, I do like every Fanatic on the wheel now. I think it's very good with Study.
Yeah.
And
what do you like here?
I like Proctor. I don't think it's bad. And we don't have any enter the battlefields.
Yeah, so far the Proctor is great in our deck.
Yeah.
Gotta get some water.
We do need to lean 2 colors more than we are now. So
yeah.
I would like to be either white-red or either black-red. But not something...
Yeah. Oh, too bad we didn't have a heater debate.
Yes, heated debate would have been beat. So Fnatic is very nice with study.
But Fractals is.
No, but we can be Ragdoll splash white, right? We can splash
but,
the.
Maybe we can even pick ladder here.
Wow.
Are we aggressive or not? Like
Or
we have a lot of removal spells. We have.
Or the Defiance with Mafina is also pretty nice.
Fnatic is so good with study, boys.
Are we gonna go Rakdos smart? Yeah, okay. We can do that. I'm not sure. This draft is really fun though.
Ooh,
going all kind of directions.
Semester's End is not something we pick up here, right? Just
why not? End of turn, give your creatures every +1/+1.
Yeah, if they don't already have +1/+1.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, first.
I don't really dislike the card. It
No,
protects against removal. It gets your enter the battlefields again. It's
Campus Guide might actually be playable in this Mardu deck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mardu pile.
It might be really good.
Yes, indeed.
I really think it's underrated. It's like putting a land on top of your library is so valuable sometimes.
Thrill or Prohibition isn't.
I think I like Probation.
Probation.
I've won games with it.
Yeah.
Probation
It's okay.
They have one blocker and you probation it. That's savage.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a lesson, so
yeah,
don't lose.
Lesson.
It can be pretty good, yeah.
Hey, the Fanatics start to get wheeled here.
Or the study. Enthusiast.
Yeah, so now we have to choose, right? Because this is our Wombo combo.
And you do want more studies because it helps your other creatures.
Okay. Guardian to the sideboard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want a rendezvous.
Hey, Fletchman.
Well, what?
You want a rare for the 20 gems on there?
Yeah, 20 gems or a pledge mage that we are very unlikely to play, right?
Let's do it.
20 gems, let's go. Location, sideboard material. Hey, we got your Defiance. Okay.
Ooh, Madness. Or Guided Voice or Rise.
I think I would take Rise here.
Yeah, looking at the Guiding Voice is very good with Golem. It's also very good with Mavinda.
Yeah, how many creatures and non-creatures?
Which is why I like Guiding Voice actually.
Then if we do that, then we kind of have to make a decision to cut some cards because we can be Mardu and
I think you
we
can
be Mardu if we are a bit slower.
This deck is more easy to play in our deck, that's for sure. But I think Guiding Voice is pretty nice.
Yeah.
Good with Eager First here as well.
More creatures.
That's winning. That's a really good card.
Ooh, Relic Scarf.
Mascot Interception.
Interception is also.
I think we're picking Willing here and Wheeling Interception for the Poet.
Yeah. Interception is really good in your sideboard. Best of 3.
Game board in best of 3.
Twin Scroll Shaman.
That's decent with study.
Have you seen my decks? The last one I played was 5 Shaman and 5 study.
Wow.
And the rare double strike.
Your
plays a 3 spell.
Yeah, sure, I like that. Or it's the Historian.
Yeah.
Ooh, Draconic Invention. That card is so good. It's like you can decide for yourself which spell you exile, so it's often a one-sided board wipe, which is so insane.
Yeah, I think we take this. Backup plan.
Not a shaman.
Yes, but there's also a prophecy. Given the fact that we have 3 studies, a voice, I kinda like.
Yeah, but you're like on 12 creatures, right?
Oh, we
How
do.
many creatures?
Double Fanatic, Guide, that low on creature.
Okay.
I kinda like the lesson here. We're not big on lessons.
Pigment Storm, Show.
Pigment Storm kinda fits our Crackle with Power team. Also, Professor Warning. There's a Pest Summoning that we can play if we have double black.
It's between Pigment Storm or Show of Confidence.
Then I am
think
on Pigment
it's
Storm. I don't-
Pass summoning. Oh no, it's not pass summoning. We're not black. And I think we got the poet and a leech fanatic, right?
Ooh,
Wow.
that was okay.
Yes.
Or the Elemental Summoning.
Yeah, but I think we're white-black at this point, and this card is just bonkers.
White, red, white, you mean?
Red-white, and we're splashing the closing statements, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Good 2-drop. Ooh, either the campus or
Yeah.
else.
Campus.
Campus is not bringing us anything, right?
And maybe we want to side it in against Slowder.
Ooh. I'm a fan of Tendril.
Yeah, we're not playing it in this deck.
Yeah,
I
you're
don't
not
think.
I've seen some Twitch clips, but I've never played it myself.
See.
Also, the apprentice weird, so there's no one in. And
Yeah.
That's a nice card. I like it.
especially against Quandrix players.
20
Oh, you made a 7/7.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Now it's mine.
20 gems is 20 gems. That is so true, Satrox. How do we like Gift of Estates?
It's nice on the play,
I like
on the
20
draw.
gems.
Yeah, I like it on the draw, right? And it's another 20
Yeah.
gems. This
Yeah, exactly.
Mental Mastery, the hate card. Sure. Sure. Okay, so our colors are not like widely open, but... Ooh, that was pack 3. Okay, guys, we have to scrap something together here. Currently we're on 39.
How many creatures?
I think too much swamps.
One swamp, right? We have environmental sciences and chemistry.
So 6, 6, 12, 13, 14. Add 3 more lands. Go white and red.
But we have a lot of double constant red there.
We have a lot of double. I think we like to play our early game.
Yeah.
Okay, so more cards.
Gift of Estates, is that terrible? What does it do again?
An opponent controls more lands than you. Search your library for range cards. And it's not bad, but
We only have 8 creatures.
you can't take the Guardian. Could go Guardian Fanatic. I don't think that's good.
No.
You can also.
So we could do Thrilling Discovery. It's bad, but what can we do?
We can also make it a 4-color deck. Splash blue
Yeah,
as
I
well.
like that. We have Campus Guide and Environmental Sciences. Yeah, that might be better. They also want to do the subtraction, or? Because now we have... Yeah, we're missing one.
So which one you want to bring in?
I think subtraction.
Or maybe the mage.
Mage requires us to have our blue early.
Thrilling Discovery might be.
Gain to life, discard 2 cards if you draw 3. You can also
Can
do
we-
Gift. Gift plays very well with Crackle.
That's true. My gifts might be the...
Okay, let's go. I think this is it. Splash black, splash blue.
Thrilling Discovery, or yeah, it might have a little bit of synergy with Draconic Intervention. I think gifts is better. Like you discard a 5 CMC spell.
Right, and if we have it in hand, we can even decide to not play a land for 1 turn.
Gifts becomes better with Thrilling Discovery, actually. And then we can maybe not splash an Elemental Masterpiece or something. However, the splash is pretty free. I'm not sure about this one.
Gift with Trill is good. Because you're discarding your access lands.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Real also brings us closer to our bombs, say. I think this deck plays with the right cards we play a very aggressive game. With a different opening hand we play a very good slow game.
Yeah. It's a cool deck. This one of those decks like we drafted with the Gala sets on there.
Yeah. This does say target your creature, so it's kinda good with elocution. I don't think that's a reason to play this very mediocre card, right?
It's also on a splash.
No.
I think this is.
You already have studies, God's willing, guiding voice. Yeah.
Deck
You
is.
already have a lot.
I'm going to play one game, one match that is. Feel free to stay, guys. I just want to see how this pile of cards does.
I might drop alt halfway.
How do you like this hand?
I think it's fine.
Opponent goes first. Trill can discard the excess lands. Not great, but we have intervention.
Ooh.
White land was not the draw we were looking for, but we'll take it. Marvinda on turn 3. It's good. Opponent can't cast spells active. That's not something we want right now. Okay, opponent not doing anything here is very good for us.
Vinda's also pretty insane with study.
Test.
Hey, Bush.
Sorry, Bush.
Hey.
So the reason I don't like Mavinda here is
Counterspell, yeah.
because they have a counterspell plus removal up. So I'd rather just trill.
Not the celebrant?
Then we're still giving them their value, right?
But
Yeah,
like, Kerstens,
yes.
you're giving up so much tempo if you don't play something. You don't know if they have a counterspell.
Yeah.
You don't even know if they have this specific type of counterspell. So I would at least play the 2-1.
Yeah.
Okay, but if we're playing the 2-1, then I don't mind playing the Mavinda, honestly.
Yeah, Mavinda's so good still. Yeah, I don't think we really
So I would play the 2-1 if you're scared for removal counterspell.
The 2-1 is also nice if he has a counterspell, because if he doesn't have an answer, it attacks.
You have to do something because you have to 1 second.
Okay, I did something.
Good.
This is good.
I think that's a good play. Oh yeah.
Okay, it didn't matter. It just simply didn't matter.
It did matter because he doesn't know we have Mavinda now.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And also, you don't know what is in his hand. Maybe he also has a reject.
Yeah,
well, probably not, but it could be.
Now it's pretty play Mavinda or to double spell Celebrant and no.
No, we don't have to red, unfortunately. Just play out the Mavinda and could use red mana.
So I'm not sure if she checked out WhatsApp, but
what?
No, did you end up 3-0?
Yeah, I ended up 3-0. The second match was really tough because this person had like the Casima Planeswalker, the 2/2 that draws a card for each instant and sorcery, and the 4/4 that if you play an instant and sorcery that you and your thing dies, that you get a 4/4. So that was rough, but
ooh, enthusiastic study this.
Oh, this is fucking sick. We're going to get back our Mavinda.
Yeah.
We're going to study Defiance this, right?
Is that enough?
That is enough.
Yeah, you could do it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Wait, what?
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Because you also get the spells back from Mavinda.
Indeed.
That is crazy.
And learn.
And we learn. Do we get our... No, we don't need our Black Search. We can just get Summoning, right?
I think so.
Summoning is good.
Boom, boom. Get back Mavinda. Let's go.
Kerstens, you have a new deck now?
Yes, we went 3-0 as well.
So you just had a draft, like, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, we did. But we already had 4 people chiming in, so... Yeah.
Oh no, I don't... That's It's no problem. I went away.
Oh no, but we would have fun with you there.
Yeah.
But it was already pretty messy. Ending is up with this very strange deck.
Okay, I will share my screen.
No play.
For if you want to check it out while you're playing.
I think we just all attack. Probably use Mavinda's ability and then play Campus Guide or something.
Sure.
Like I don't see what's
Or
up.
you could just attack, use the study, and for next turn you can keep the Beaming Defiance open with Mavinda.
Oh
It's something
yes,
your opponent will never see coming.
that's very good, Sha. Yes, like that a lot.
Just hope he doesn't play anything now, but
Yeah, and if so what are we studying here?
there's nothing else to get back with washing or.
Activate Mavinda twice in one turn.
Yeah, I think it is.
I wouldn't want to do that, but
Yeah.
then I would want to do it now.
Wait, what? Cam?
This is fine, right?
No, you want to do the hexproof thing.
What's happened?
You buried in books Mavinda.
We couldn't.
That's
We couldn't. It can only be done once.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
yeah, that was my question. If you can do it twice.
No, it's only once. Let's see what the text is exactly. But if that spell blah blah blah,
Oh.
blah activate only
Activate
once
only
each turn. Yeah.
Okay.
Normally they put that stuff in front. Right?
No, not always.
No. Oh, mostly at the end. Only
Sometimes
use.
they do like once a turn you may or something like that, or
Ah,
during your upkeep.
I
or
think we're
something like
just playing summoning here, right? We're not pumping Celebrant.
No.
Although we're already winning. Like
Yeah, just play summoning. The next turn you can do first day of class, Mavinda, whatever.
that. Yeah. I also like adding to the board much more than pumping. Also, yeah. If they have an answer, like they would have divided by 0 your 2-1 then perhaps. Which
right,
would be
probably. If I gave this +6/+0, we're
And they activated an ability.
oh, that's something I died to this so many times.
Oh.
You
Ooh.
want to kill that. If you can.
Let's see.
2, 3. If they don't have anything, I think we have lead here. 4, 5, 6,
Ooh.
7, 8, 9, pump once, that's lethal.
The thing is cheaper on tokens, right?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could also Mavinda +3/+1.
No, you don't have that trample spell anymore, right?
Oh, we do.
Oh wait, it's no. Steal it is a 4, 4, 7, 8, 9, and pump it. Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to steal it? Go
Yeah,
for the lethal?
I like that.
Yeah, just yes, a counter spell. Really matter.
So in the meantime, I started my draft.
Okay. I'll switch over. Yes.
Terrible pack, by the way.
Yeah.
We
Like
can
from a pack one, big one.
pump, we did
point of view.
7. But I think I like playing the Campus Guide more.
Misschien de Ignis. Something. Ik blijf je.
I'm not taking the Ignis. I don't like it. Okay, so no lethal. Oh. Wow.
that is
Yeah.
pretty bad.
Yeah, I'm getting savaged. Shit happens.
8
Yeah.
life.
The scroll wheeler is like amazing. Hey, Archmage Emeritus, the 2/2 that draws your card, or Ruta?
I think I chump this and intervention next turn.
I think we'll take Ruta because doubling like. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to jump it and then
Intervention next turn.
can you kill it? What do you have in graveyard?
I have the
Kind of
interception
like
in
that
grave.
open.
I would take the more open choice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
I
this
like
one.
that Thunder.
I also like the play Thunder. I think you should do that.
It also allows me to play the Mavinda. Sure if I want to do that, but like I think I just play out the Mavinda here. There's one unknown card and there's one draw. One picks a remove card here, then that's it. I'll deal with it. Okay.
Oh, you can first day and summoning.
Can
First day of class and then play the summoning, then you have 5/5 haste. Race.
2, 5, that's 7, 3, 5, 6, 7. That does not allow me to play the Mavinda ability.
Do you need to? Or do you want to keep the Defiance up?
So what I could do is play the summoning and
No, I would.
Guys, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
I think I like your line.
Okay, bye.
See you
It's
later.
putting more pressure on them.
Well,
Yes, it's definitely
have
putting more pressure.
Oh, I've maybe taken a probation, maybe. So next turn you can stop the block.
I think I like keeping the land in hand here because we have the discovery in the side. But I can also see that we wanna the summoning with Mavinda anyway.
Well, discovery inside it will take a few more lands.
Oh yes, it doesn't target, right? Yes, you're right. You're right. The only good thing here is the Defiance, basically.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't really matter because we don't have any other discard effects in the deck, I think. So then we just play the land for Crackle. Let's see, how many? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7. So we can play one more and we can still do a state.
I would. No.
I don't think there's a reason to keep the land in hand against a teamer deck. So as long as a state is good, I think we play out the lands.
Yeah.
Because we want to Crackle eventually.
Boes, ik denk dat Prismari open.
It feels like it, yeah, but I'm not completely sure what I should pick here. I mean, this card can be really good in
Holy shit.
precisely Prismari.
Yeah. And don't forget that backside is removal. I lost a round to that one.
But I also like the Pledge Mates actually, but I think we should just take this, right?
Yeah, I think the Pledge Mage will come around more often.
Yeah.
Ooh, a Crackle. Yeah, just two big targets and then...
And call GG. So the Jordan says the reason to hold land is if we want to run out of lessons and we'll end up rummaging. Yes, but Crackle makes lots of sense to always play them. Yeah, I agree. Okay. That wasn't the most clean game.
Are you streaming still, Kerstens?
Yeah, we are.
So they are also, so people are also enjoying a game they cannot even see.
Yes, they are enjoying your draft chatter.
Oh, great. Well.
Opponent had 2 Divide by Zeros, a Burying Books, Arcane Subtraction. Opponent had so else. Maybe Duress is actually good.
This is a hard one, Boes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it was actually pretty easy for me.
Oh, we don't have the Duress. That was the.
I thought with Prismari, the Ignis is pretty okay.
I don't like it.
Okay.
I think with 2 good lessons already, I think the subtraction is.
Oh yeah, you don't have any learn yet. Yeah.
Yeah. What I also really dislike about Prismari is that there's not many 2-drops that you really actively want to play. So that's why I like having the Arcane Subtraction to like not need to really play.
Or the Pledge Mage wield.
Yeah, that's good. I am happy to play 2 or 3 in my deck, in a Prismari deck.
Yeah, if you're aggressive, definitely the Prismari Pledge Mage is great.
Yeah, but also if you're not aggressive, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but then you shouldn't be Jeskai. Like, yeah, I just had a couple of bad experiences where I had a Jeskai mana base and I was trying to play the Prismari Pledge Mage. That's.
Yeah, okay, but Jeskai, we're not.
That's where my grudge comes from, basically.
At this point.
I always end up Jeskai when I'm playing Prismari for some reason.
More learn or...
Wait, yeah, shit, this went a bit fast. I feel like we need the Prismari Pledge.
Yeah,
in this
just
deck.
take the Pledge.
But I really need to find some heated debate stuff in the next pack. right? Ooh, that's actually good for feeling.
Okay, 5.0 reject.
I think this is an easy Prismari Apprentice.
I think so.
But removal is going to make or break this deck if we don't find some removal.
Yeah. Well, there's a Pigment Storm here.
Yeah, but it's hard to take it over the other
Trickster?
cards. But I think
Tassel Talents is also pretty okay. But I think Pigment Storm.
I think we need this too much.
Yeah.
Though I need this one much more.
Well, that one will probably wheel.
Yeah. We didn't see any of the like big Prismari spells. So all the other ingredients are there, but
I think they will be coming around pack 3. A lot of Prismari wheeled in pack 1.
yeah.
Curve or Trickster?
Yeah, I think Trickster is probably better, but
Nice study, Sander. If it doesn't get counted.
Opponent has something up here for sure. Right? So the question is, do I rather have them divide by 0 to study? If they divide by 0 my study, I can just replay it, right?
Yeah.
Maybe they bury here? Bury, that's pretty bad.
Talents, well, at least that one's out of their hand.
Yes, that's, but we do have 3 studies or something, so testing
Yeah.
study here is bad for us.
What was your latest pick, Boost? Berry?
Oh, it was the fractal summoning. Yeah, I took a berry before that. But,
Yeah, just.
well, look how open Silver Quill is here.
Oh, yeah, Silver Quill is always open.
That's not true. But anyway. I think this is an easy pop quiz. Although Teach by Example is nice.
Okay. Yeah, Sander is doing Pigment Storming the Ruta. Okay. Wait, and then he bounces Ruta. First day's class, pretty nice. Elemental Summoning, turn 7.
You know what the problem is, Cha, with my draft currently? I gave a Ruta very early to person left.
Of course.
So that's why Prismari isn't open now. I think this is an easy Prismari Flashmate over any of the other cards. Because that really helps us not being run over early. Which always happens when I play Prismari.
What did you pick over the route?
I took the Archmage because it was like pick 2 or something to want to stay open in terms of colors.
The blue Archmage.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the 2/2 wizard that draws your card for.
That's a solid card, right?
Yeah. Because at that point our first pick was also blue-red.
Exactly 3 lands left.
Yeah, that was very nice, Ja.
Oh, yeah. Sander Ruta right now, that's really annoying. Keeps getting bounced.
It feels like you don't want to allow your opponent into the late game, Sander. So
The
much value in
plan
that
right
deck.
now is to crackle my opponent for 15, basically. That's what I'm playing towards. Let's see how that goes for me. Hello.
Ooh.
That's also
Pretty good.
something that I can do.
Oh yeah, but he has 2 now, so.
Yeah, but
So how many invocations do you have? Or how is it? Interceptions, I mean.
only one, unfortunately, and I don't have a route by myself.
You also don't have the teach by example card.
No, unfortunately not. That in. Oh wait,
Graveshot
I
that good?
can annihilation one. Do I have annihilation?
It
Sideboard?
feels to me like we should take Grape Shot just because it's awesome.
Yeah, but Graveshot only at most does 3 damage. I think the Dispute is better here, but
Yeah, I can see that. Probably Dispute is the safe pick and Grape Shot
yeah.
is the cool.
Well, you can always do the fun pick.
I'm a bit worried about the lack of instants and sorceries. Or at least we have a lot of creatures. But I will
8,
take
9,
this one.
10 is very close. I think I have lethal. Check out this lethal. If this works,
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice. That's really nice. And by the way, the academic probation, I really like that card.
I'm fucking lethaling my opponent here.
Nice.
Fucking epic. Get wrecked, son. Oh,
Wow, that's nice.
that was legendary. That's why you pick up that lesson.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That was an awesome line. Easy clap. Yes.